Can you see? Yeah?
Think you'll be able to drive that one day? I'm just making sure that I have those so that I can stop right there on our way out. I can whoop and then get some of those.
Is that like a truck place?
That's the Love's, yeah, oil change place.
Oh.
I don't have to necessarily have any right now, but at some point on this trip, I think it's been a long time since I changed the fuel filters.
Yeah.
I need to do that. Okay. Ready to go in?
Yeah.
So I need this lint. This is my fix.
Yeah.
But look, it ain't. This is the cleanest this has been in a long time. It ain't blowing oil everywhere. So. That should be about it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Huh.
And this is a 69, which went turbo to V8, put it in. We extended the cab 18 inches, so there's that much room behind it. See?
Yeah. So neither one of these have ever been driven.
Never put together, never had a motor, nothing else. Back when you ordered a Gladys, today you ordered a Gladys, it's got rear end and everything. Back then it had a straight end, front axle, steel things, and it was pretty much. What they were for back then, if you had a truck with a pretty new motor that you had laid over a wreck, see how that doesn't feel all.
Yeah. No, I don't think mine feels like that.
That's that Kenworth's the 55 bull-nose Kenworth. That my dad was trucking with that in the 80s.
Man, that thing's cool. I've never even seen one of those.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's the same paint we put on it in 81. And it's got chips and stuff, but my dad painted it and I don't wanna mess with it.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't have. You don't need to leave it alone. Yeah, you don't need to.
Crawl up in that thing and look how much room it is, even for a guy your size.
That's what I always
You
wondered.
can sit down in it. I mean,
Chance and Briar would love this, wouldn't they?
Uh-huh. The dog's in the middle. Yeah, it's huge in here.
Yeah.
And that Peterbilt, we're so close together.
Yeah, this thing's way wide.
3 of us kids could go with my dad when we were kids.
Yeah.
And all of us sleep, all 4 of us sleep. 2 of us in the bed and 1 in each floor.
Oh, yeah. There's a room back here, and then there's a cab.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. This is a smaller steering wheel, too. Kind of like that.
Yeah.
Probably until you go to turn.
Yeah.
That thing's cool.
Yeah, it is.
Appreciate you letting me check that out.
You bet.
I mean, it's cool. It's like,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is.
we tried to stop by here last time you had a big car show. And we were passing through. Can't remember where we were going.
We were racing in Missouri, maybe, and then we're coming back.
We were, yeah, at Flying H. And then remember we tried to come back on Sunday and we were going to spend the whole day, you know, a little bit, and it was over.
Yeah. We give away everything on Saturday night.
Yep.
The drunks hang out all Saturday night, and Sunday they start cruising out. I spend all my time now building grandkids crap.
This thing's cool too.
Mm-hmm.
That little thing right there is on a Massey Ferguson lawnmower.
Oh, wow.
I saw somebody driving around with
I got a golf cart.
Yeah, it's a golf cart.
cart fixed up like that too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very cool.
Sweet. Man, that's cool about these. I didn't even know about them.
Mm-hmm.
This thing is brand new.
Boy, you can just look at them toolbox stuff on there. You know, if you ever been around them, they're all beat up.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty amazing. Like this overspray and all that, that's going away.
Yeah.
I mean, they weren't building trucks to look beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
They were building some.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when I pulled off, it was at 180 degrees.
180. He said it was at. Right on. Okay.
Yeah. Nick said send you the video.
I got the video from Nick just now, but Sparky sent me a long video, the whole thing.
Yeah, all right, so touch cans are obviously.
Yep. Yep.
Tires are off of it.
I saw it.
Off of it.
Yep. Which belt?
The alternator belt.
Okay. Yeah. I knew that.
Okay. Yep. And yeah, no, it was fine. It drove good.
Oh, wow. So Sparky said Aiden had the crowd going wild.
Oh yeah, no, I was definitely getting into the crowd.
Good. Okay, good job, man. All right, I'll talk to you later.
All right, well,
I haven't done anything. I'm fixing to go up for my first test pass. I'll let you know.
okay, let me know.
Okay.
Let me know.
All right. Bye.
All right, bye.
fine.
Oh,
Not
you don't want to make a pass with me?
No,
Are
I'm
you
not gonna make
sure?
a pass, yeah.
I feel like we're at the right track to make that happen.
So it's Friday night, and we're here at 710 Dragway, and there hasn't been too many cars down yet, so Sean's gonna make a pass.
It's Friday night, not a whole lot going on yet.
Pretty quiet.
Hey, push me back.
Push him back.
All right, what is it?
Got a little bit right there.
It was there it is.
Pull it out right there.
Yeah.
Oil and water. Catch can of something.
Yeah.
Catch can of something, Murder Noble.
That's probably the catch can.
Yes,
See, it's the catch can.
sir.
Hey, I did not drain it. That's on me. Look, I'm not really a maintenance type guy. I normally get out of the car and have people that maintenance it for me. So
Spoiled.
I am. Is it full?
Don't know yet.
I bet it is.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There ain't much. Huh? There ain't much. That's definitely what's keeping out on the track, though. It's dripping, but it ain't flowing.
Okay. We need to go back to the pit.
We can patch that up and then put the round tube in the top. At least then it would blow up instead of blowing down onto the track. I don't know what else to do, man, right now. Like, obviously it's gonna blow up straight into the radiator, and then my fans are gonna suck it into the radiator. But after this race, we need to figure something else out and get 2 catch cans. Dumb problem. $5.35. Really? Yeah. What? Look, it's late. She wanted some ice cream. Huh? Okay, that's it. Let's go to bed. Thank you, sir.
There she goes.
What's going on, guys? I'm actually gonna do the outro because we'll talk about that. We'll get back to that. We had a good time at 710 Dragway. Wasn't as many people there as what we were hoping. Wasn't as many cars as what we were hoping, but as usual with Ben, Billy, Phantom, the 55, we had a good time. Aiden went his opposite way, so he was down in Texas having a good time while we were there. We knew that we were gonna have to leave as soon as we got done racing. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get done racing until 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Erin had a procedure on Monday that we had to get back to. It was a 17-hour drive. So unfortunately, we didn't get any hours in on Saturday night after we got everything put up, cleaned up, ready to roll. It was probably 2:30, maybe 3 o'clock. So I just went to bed. I got up at 7, so 4 hours-ish of sleep, and then we drove the full 17 hours home. You know, there's a difference in driving home versus driving to the track. I can make the 17 hours fairly easy whenever I know I'm coming home. Getting to the track or leaving home is totally opposite. By 11, 12, I'd have been ready to call it a day. So we ended up making it home at 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that in the morning. And then she had surgery on Saturday on her mouth surgery on Monday on her mouth, which turned out to be a lot more. So that's why you're hearing me right now instead of hearing her. Her face is a little bit swollen. It's all the way up to her cheek and her nose and her lips, and everything's swollen. So she's taking it easy right now. So unfortunately, we didn't get to do the stuff that we wanted to do on camera yesterday, but we'll have that for the next video. I would imagine she's gonna be out for 2 or 3 days, and the swelling will go down, everything went good, so it wasn't anything major. So this is our outro for this week. So first time I'll be doing the outro for her, and probably the last time. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to her videos. She loves it. She appreciates everything, and we'll see y'all on the next one.